Yesterday I did the first ever UK AI Olympiad, and now I'm gonna tell you the 3 things I wish I knew before I did it. The first and most important thing you wanna know when entering the UK AI Olympiad is your machine learning and deep learning foundation. So, entering AI Olympiad, knowing machine learning and deep learning is just the essential prerequisite for your success. The Olympiad consists of 3 problems for each you're given 1 hour. The first problem was the classic ML problem, and knowing machine learning well, having that foundation really helped me go through it quickly and get to more difficult problem 2 and problem 3. I can recommend some resources to learn machine learning and deep learning from scratch if you're a total beginner. The first one is like the Bible of machine learning. It is the CS 229 machine learning course from Andrew Ng. It's a very powerful course. I really recommend that one. For deep learning, I would recommend watching 3 Blue 1 Brown series on YouTube. It is such an amazing series which explains deep learning really well and in a simple way. And also you can follow the, again, Andrew Ng Coursera course, which is called Deep Learning. I'll attach the link to that course in the description. After you've learned all the basics of machine learning and deep learning, I highly recommend you get that solid foundation of Python and the library skills. Considering libraries, it is essential for you to know PyTorch and NumPy. These are the 2 libraries which are the most useful for the AI Olympiad. For example, PyTorch library was used in 2 of the 3 tasks given. So it made a massive difference, and I couldn't proceed with the second question just because I didn't know PyTorch that well. So go and learn it. The best places to do that is through PyTorch documentation and the book about PyTorch if you want some more in-depth and hands-on knowledge. The third and probably most important thing to know about the UK AI Olympiad when preparing for it is just start building models from scratch. I'm telling you, all 3 questions were about building models from scratch. If you want to succeed in the Olympiad in the next years, just go and build those multi-layer perceptrons from the first principles, logistic regression, or other models, maybe 3 models. Try investigating into that, searching through resources, because it will make the most difference whether you know how to build models from scratch. Overall, the Olympiad is set up really nicely. I would say you're given a lot of instructions what to do, and it's basically more about how well do you follow the instructions given than knowing everything. However, if you want to proceed to the later stages of AI Olympiad, to the national UK team, you definitely need to know all the 3 things I've mentioned. Thank you all very much, guys, and good luck on the UK AI Olympiad.